Docusaurus versus GitBook versus MkDocs. Which tool should you choose for docs? So choosing the right documentation tool can shape how users experience your project or product. Docusaurus, GitBook, and MkDocs are three popular static site documentation tools, each suited for different needs. So whether you're after customizability, simplicity, or cloud-powered ease, this comparison will help you pick the right fit for your team. So now let's go ahead and start with Docusaurus. So Docusaurus is a React-based static site generator made by Meta. It's focused on building high-quality documentation websites with built-in support for versioning, translation, and a plugin system. This is great for teams comfortable with React or developers who want control over layout and functionality. Now let's talk about the pros. So it's React powered for full customization, built-in versioning and multilingual support, excellent for technical or dev-centric projects. There are a few setbacks, so this requires React node knowledge and also heavier setup for simple use cases. Okay, next we've got GitBook. So this is a modern hosted platform for documentation and knowledge sharing. It offers a sleek editor, collaborative features, and live previews. This is ideal for teams who want a no-code, cloud-based experience. It's less technical, so no developers can jump in easily. So the pros: easy to use, no setup required, real-time collaboration and clean UI, hosted platform with search and version history. There are some setbacks: limited customization unless on paid plans, and less control over layout and build process. Okay, now we've got MkDocs. So this is a lightweight markdown based static site generator written in Python. It's perfect for quick, clean documentation with minimal setup. Paired with themes like Material for MkDocs, it can still look modern and professional without deep customization. Pros: fast, simple, and Python friendly, very easy to configure, great for smaller open source projects. Setbacks: less interactive custom features, no built-in versioning, it needs a plugin. So my final verdict: so use Docusaurus if you need full control, advanced features, and are comfortable with React, or go with GitBook if you want a beautiful collaborative cloud editor with minimal technical setup, or go with MkDocs if you want a quick, efficient markdown only static site, especially for Python or open source docs.